everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Inspire Challenge that is hosted monthly by Elena from Elena Jenkins DIY, and her co-host this month is Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic. As usual, I will leave the link to their channels in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos entered in this challenge. Please visit the hostesses channels and watch the videos in the playlist, and you will get a lot of new ideas and inspiration. I'm going to do something for Halloween, 2 DIYs. The first one are bookends. You know that I have a thing for countdown calendars and bookends. As you probably know, I hope you know already, that means you are a follower. My daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of things in the dumpsters. By the way, I'm going to leave the link to our dumpster diving channel, which is Dumpster Chicks. So if you want to pay a visit, that will make us very happy and you will have a lot of fun. We found these two pieces. We don't know what they are. In fact, both of them were the same. But I cut this one, as you can see, to make a couple of bookends. I painted them black with a Rust-Oleum, flat black, and I had nothing to do to them but painting them black. And this is very quick and simple. I'm going to add these two skulls, and I need something else that I have here. Okay, I have these rhinestones that I'm going to add them to the eyes cavity of the skulls to make them more creepy. So, as you can see, the mandible is loose on purpose, but I'm not going to use that feature now. I'm going to use a lot of hot glue on both sides to make sure that the rhinestones are going to be in place all the time. I don't know if it's enough. I hope so. Let me add more. The borders, like so. So we have one. Always a problem with these residues from the hot glue. If you know of some glue sticks that don't have this problem, please let me know in the comments below, because I am tired of this kind of stuff. Okay, it takes me more time to clean them than to make them. I don't want to stay there. Okay. Here we go. Here we have one. Let's do the other one. I need another stick. Always the same problem when you add a new stick. It's not easy to get it to push the one that is already there. And I tried all those tips of, gluing the tip of the new one to the old one. Doesn't work for me. Okay, my God, I hate this. Let's do the other eye. Like so. These sticks that I'm using are also from the dumpster, so I didn't pay for them. Otherwise it would be very expensive because I'm using a lot of hot glue. God. Okay, I'm almost done. Bear with me. Okay. That is unbelievable. Well, I'll finish the cleaning later. So I was trying, and I really like how they look this way, but they don't. You're going to place it in this position with the books. The skulls are not going to be seen, so I'm thinking of placing them this way. It has to be this way. So I'm going to glue them. I want to see what part touches the wood. This is real wood, so it's this one. So I need hot glue here, and I think here, maybe here, and I need another stick. Let me see, here we go. I think it's going to be enough. Yes. Here we have one. And let's do the same with the other. And voila, we have two very creepy bookends that I'm going to use with these books that I have here. Anyways, I'm going to show you later at the end of the video how they look from the front. That is for you just to have an idea what I'm going to do with them. So let's move on to the second DIY. Okay. This is also really easy. Not quick because it takes a while, but it's easy. I have a lot of these vintage cups of tea with a saucer. It was white with all those vintage flowers. So I spray painted it with the same paint, the Rust-Oleum flat black paint. I did the same with the saucer, inside and out. And then with a marker that I found in the dumpster. By the way, this book is also from the dumpster. I went around the border of the saucer and the center, and these are marks that the original saucer had. I just painted them with a marker, and I did the same with this border and the handle. And I decided I wanted to mimic something like lace, and I was thinking, what can I do? And I realized that spider web is the best thing to decorate this kind of cup. So I just did it by myself. I didn't use a pattern, nothing like that. I just drew this one. First of all, I took the measurement all around the cup and I divided it in 3 to know how wide the web should be. And then I didn't even transfer it. I put it on my side and with the marker I just copied it, and I did the same with the base of the cup. Now I'm going to glue this cup here. So let me see, I think it's here and here. Like so. And I'm going to add this foam that I use in other projects and I love it. It's a sealant foam. It's expandable. You have them, I think they come in different colors. I know they come in ivory and this is the white one. And I'm going to fill the cup with foam. This came broken and I didn't have time to return it because I needed to film the video where I use it for the first time. So I'm being very careful. Okay, so now I want to add, I need my scissors. Some of these critters, like they are coming from inside the cup. I paint them, they were of different colors, I paint them also with the same paint. Let's place a roach. And a fly here. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah. So now I need to let this dry and settle, and then I'll be back to show you the finished product. It's already finished. You are not going to see anything different, but anyway, I want you to see how it looks when it's dry. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and now you see the items finished. I decided to add a little spoon to the cup. I hope you like these ideas. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to both hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels and the playlist, and also our dumpster diving channel, why not? I want to thank all of you for watching my video. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.